Yes, yes, yes. We are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben, and welcome. During this live stream, I'm not giving nobody financial advice. This is entertainment only. Okay. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Big Ben. I've been trading for 10 years plus, and I day trade the stocks during the day, Monday to Friday, and I swing trade crypto. So if that's something that you want to learn more about, definitely hit the subscribe button. And during this live stream, you can actually speed up time if you are watching the replay. You can actually go to settings, hit maybe 1.5 or 2, and you can speed up time because sometimes it's an hour long. What's going on, Keith? Keith is the first one in the building. So, like I said, if you are new to my channel, welcome. Definitely have some good stuff here, and overall, right now, the crypto market is in a bear market. So I explain to people how to play defense in the bear market, how to play defense, because a bear market could get, ugly. Everything can get ugly, and you can actually lose a lot of money. So if you just want to learn more about how you can actually make more money while you wait for the bull market to come, definitely hit the subscribe button. So let's get this party started, guys. Let's get this party started. Let's see who was in the building here. Hey, what's going on, Ahmad? Okay, on a Friday night. Let's see who's going to show up on a Friday night. Let's see who's really, into this stuff, or people who's probably partying, and we'll see. But who's in the building? What's going on, Jay? What's going on? Just another minority. You said been a while, but I'm back taking notes. Shout out to you. Shout out to you. So overall, guys, let's zoom in a little bit. Overall, we had this big engulf ball on the what do you call that? The 1 day. Okay, the market reject this area. Okay, we went to 300 billion the other day and we rejected that. So overall, that tells me that the market doesn't want to stay above 300 billion with the market cap. It wants to stay under 300 billion. So so far when we went there, it was a lot of selling. So for you guys that's buying these dips, pullbacks, bottoms, just be careful. And like I said before, guys, let me see if I can actually, like I said before, guys, it was a lot of suspect things going on with Bitcoin. We had low volume at the bottoms, and when we spiked up like this is when most of the volume came in. This is when volume increased. And if you know anything about the big dogs, they don't come in late. They usually accumulate at the bottom. So we had 3 billion, 3 billion, 3 billion, 2 billion, 3 billion, and all of a sudden we popped up and we had 6 billion. Okay, and that's telling me that that's not a good sign of a strong reversal. So it seems like they bought a lot off of this candle just to sell some at the top. So right here, this is a strong level right here. This zone right here is a strong zone, and I'm here to tell you guys that we don't even have to go to 8,000. We don't even have to go to 8,000. So let's see who's in the chat room. I'm trying to get rid of these drawings on my chart. Let's see who's in the chat room. What's going on, Randy? All right. So I'm waiting for more people to come in. This might be a quick stream, but shout out to everybody that's here so far. Thanks a lot for stopping by on a Friday night. Happy Friday to everybody. TGIF. I know some people's glad it's Friday. So overall, guys, this selling right now is kind of suspect, but we'll see. If we go to the 4 hour, okay, I know a lot of people wanted to take this breakout right here. I can tell a lot of people wanted to take this breakout right here because they probably thought that we were going to continue to maybe 8,000 or 85, and as soon as they took this breakout, whew, they got wiped out. So I'm guessing Bitcoin will continue to go down maybe to 72 to wipe these guys out right here that took the breakout. Let's go to the 5 minute. You'll see a little better. Let me zoom in, zoom out. Shout out to everybody that's here. What's going on, D Ruiz? What's going on, Peter? Okay. Randy said payday Friday too. Exactly. What's going on, Ronald? Always enjoy your videos. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it. So if you look at this 5 minute chart, basically people was waiting for this breakout. Boom, they got it, but sellers came right back in and basically taking a lot of people's money right now. And it might most likely continue to go down to stop some people out. So overall, guys, this market, for some reason, this level right here is strong resistance. And like I said, another thing that was kind of suspect was the altcoins. Okay, the altcoins were selling like crazy. Okay, we have Ethereum selling off like crazy. It finally hit the back of this channel, and you see it reacting to the back, right? You see how as soon as it hit this channel, a green bar came in. So just everything looks weak right now. It's like we had this pop. Everybody was screaming bullish, Lambos. We're going to the moon. Guys, we're going to be millionaires. And then all of a sudden, sellers came back in and smacked everybody to reality and say, hey, guys, calm down. Calm down. So shout out to everybody that's here. You said if Bitcoin goes down, will altcoins down too? I believe so. I believe so. Shout out to everybody that's new to my channel. If you are new, if you have any questions, let me know. And if anybody else have any questions, let me know. But yeah, so Ethereum is selling off. We have XRP selling off like crazy, right? Selling off like crazy. It looks like XRP wants to break out of this little thing was going on with this, and it looks like one trying to go lower. Let's see what's going on with Tron. Tron getting smashed. So like I said, guys, everything is weak. Everything is weak. I mean, like all the gains that we had from what was it, this week or last week? It was this week, right? We'll say Friday, so I guess it was this week. All the gains is getting wiped out right now. It's crazy, right? All the gains that we achieved getting wiped out. What's going on 9/11? What's going on Flex? What's going on, everybody that's here? Thanks a lot for stopping by. So, you know, that's why, me personally, I don't buy in a bear market. Okay, I don't buy in a bear market because overall, you know, basically, it's dangerous. It's a dangerous game. Because who's in control? The sellers are in control. In the bull market, who's in control? The buyers are in control. It's just that simple, guys. Whoever's in control, that's who you want to go. You know, you want to be on those guys' side, you know, and ride those guys. If you want to make consistent money. Let me see if I see any questions. Hey, what's going on, Ken? What's going on, Ken? It's good to see you here. Studying, watching. Shout out to Ken. Peter said, if I sell my TRX today, do you think I could buy again tomorrow and have more? I hate going to sleep with my money in USD because it would bother me if it goes up. You never know with crypto. So you talking about, you said if you sell your TRX today, do you believe I can buy it again tomorrow and have more? What do you mean by that? Do you mean that TRX won't go down? I don't understand your question. How are you gonna have more if you buy tomorrow? Shout out to Keith, guys. Shout out to Keith with the super chat, guys. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, Keith, with the super chat. Keith said, thanks, Ben. It's not much, but I wanted to say thanks. Pick up Ben course if you have not yet, and you will be glad if you did. So shout out to Keith, guys. Shout out to Keith. Shout out to Keith. He just gave me a super chat, and he said pick up the course if you don't have it yet. And he's talking about this course. So later on, I'm gonna give a discount for the people that don't have this course. A 50% discount. Claps. You said claps. Let me see if I see claps. Let me see. I don't know. I don't know if I can get claps. Let's see if I can get claps. But shout out to everybody that's here, guys. Thank you a lot for coming through on a Friday. Thank you a lot for, you know, chilling with me. If you have any questions, if you are new to my channel, if you have any questions, let me know. Don't be shy. I don't know if I have claps. I'm gonna try to see if I have any. But let's see if I see any questions. And shout out for Keith again for that super chat. Thanks a lot. So let me see if I see any questions here. I'm reading these comments. Let me see if I get clapping. So if anybody that that's here, definitely hit those those likes, smash those likes, whatever they say in YouTube world. But overall, guys, the market looks weak, and you know, it's just what it is, guys. You know, I've been going live probably for a good month. I've been trying to tell you guys, hey guys, we are in the bear market. A bear market is brutal. They will play with your emotions. They will make you think that it's going up, and at the same time, they pretty much are doing the opposite. Okay, they're just getting your hopes up, and then all of a sudden, they go right back down. So this is why I tell people, you know, it's very hard to time the bottom. I tell people that, you know, anything that's too obvious in the bear market, usually it fails. So right now things are looking weak, guys. Things are looking weak. Everybody's waiting for Bitcoin, which they want to see what Bitcoin is going to do, and I want to see what Bitcoin is going to do too, because right now this rejection is a bearish rejection. Let's see if I see. And to shout to everybody that's here, thanks a lot for stopping by. If you have any questions, if you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm a full-time trader. I've been doing this for 10 years plus. So if you have any questions, let me know. Don't be shy. Let me know. So let me see if I see any questions. So Peter said, basically, do you think Tron will continue to go down in 24 hours? Peter, that's very hard to say. That's very hard to say. I don't know what Tron is going to do. It looks weak. We could have a green bar tomorrow, then the next day have a red bar. So I don't know exactly what Tron is going to do. But at the same time, you know, everything's looking weak. So let me see if I see any questions here. I don't understand your question, Ken. I was wondering, can you use more than one setup in a trade? What do you mean by that? I don't get that question. Art said, everybody, what did he propose? What did he propose, Art? Glad to be back. Who's back? Travis? What's going on, Travis? Amir said, what up with XRP? Amir, you're not new to my channel, right, Amir? Are you new to my channel? Shout out to Amir. Are you new to my channel? Oh, you talking about ban crypto in America? Nah, that's not the reason why it's selling off. That's not the reason why it's selling off. Okay, Amir is from Iraq. Shout out to Amir. He's from Iraq, guys. That's what's up, man. You said what's good with XRP? XRP looking weak. Okay, it's looking weak. And, you know, basically it's just, you know, can we go up one more time? I don't know. Because it looks like, you know, overall the gains that we had this week basically is getting wiped out. That's what it looks like, guys. This is why I love looking at the charts, because if you was just a guy that read the news the whole week, right? This whole week, automatically you'll become a bull, because there was a lot of, you know, so-called good news out here, but the charts are saying otherwise. Just, you know, we had a nice little pop on Bitcoin, but all these altcoins are selling off like crazy. So to me, XRP looks like it wants to go down lower. Okay. So that's why it's very good to study these charts and don't fall for the hype. Richie, are you new to my channel, Richie? TRX price by the end of this year. Richie, are you new to my channel? Let me know, Richie. And shout out to everybody that's new to my channel. If you have any questions, let me know. Don't be shy. I'm a full-time trader. Been doing this for 10 years, so don't be shy. Let me see if I see any questions. Richie said, nah, man, been following you for ages. Okay. I don't know if I saw you on my live stream. That's why. And Dranil, what's going on? You said what's up with Richie said what's up with TRX by the end of this year. Richie, I wish I can tell you that. You know, no one knows what's gonna happen with TRX. All thing I can say is, you know, things overall is weak. We are in the bear market, and by the end of this year, most likely we are going to continue to go down. That's how bear markets work. Bear markets don't end just because people say it will end, okay? Just because people come on the news and say Bitcoin is going to 50K, that doesn't mean that the bear market will end, okay? Those guys on the news, they don't know anything. They just saying that stuff just to keep your hopes up. This is why I tell you guys, play defense in the bear market. You should be playing defense in the bear market. A lot of people are basically leaving a lot of money on the table if you're not playing defense. If you're not playing defense, you're leaving a lot of money on the table. And not only that, you basically losing a lot of money too. Amir said, I'm an old subscriber and you're my favorite, sir. So shout out to Amir. Thanks a lot for stopping by. If you have any questions, let me know. Ken said, I need to go back studying. Shout out to him. Oh, you said, oh, no, Ken, I don't do that. I don't do that. It's either or, you know, it's either or. But if you see two setups at the same time, you know, that simply means that setup probably is going to work probably, you know, 90% of the time. I mean, if you see something like that, the odds pretty much is on your side. That's probably a strong signal if you see a couple of, you know, setups around the same time. Let me see if I see any questions. Let me know, guys. What's going on, Noah? Noah said, watch YouTube. They know it all. Predictions. I know, right? Shout out to everybody. Shout out to everybody that's here. So with TRX, yes, like I said, it's looking weak. Most likely, it looks like we're trying to test these lows, but we don't know yet. But that's what it looks like. That's what it looks like right now. I'm reading these comments. Ahmad said, Ben, I'm glad I got your course. I thought already I knew how to trade, but your course opened my eyes even further. Worth every money, and I can't wait to apply the strategies in my future trading. So shout out to Ahmad. Ahmad said, Ben, I'm glad I got your course. I thought I already knew how to trade, but your course opened my eyes. So shout out to him, guys. That's what's up. That's what's up. Let me see if I see any questions. And if you are new to my channel, if you have any questions. Amir said, Mr. Ben, what do you do for a living? I do this. I day trade. I trade the markets. What's going on, MoX? MoX said, did you look at XRP yet? Yes, I did. I can look at it again for you. Shout out to MoX, one of my students. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you have any questions, let me know. So XRP, guys, basically we hit resistance right here. As soon as we hit the resistance right here, we the sellers basically came in. Okay, the sellers came in and it shot back down. So basically all the gains that we had this week pretty much wiped out all the gains. Okay, that I'm sorry to say, but that's not a bullish sign at all. And right now it looks like it's trying to go back to the lows. So when that will happen, I don't know. I know that Bitcoin, everybody's looking at Bitcoin and seeing what Bitcoin is going to do. But overall, Bitcoin looks like it's bearish too, even though it's even though it's not selling as quick as these altcoins. But overall, it's just we have some selling going on today. So we'll see, guys. We'll see. Overall, like I said, I thought we was gonna have a push up, maybe to the 77 or 8,000 or something like that. But maybe they don't want to do that. Maybe they feel like that's too obvious. Most people want to go. Most people think that we're gonna go to 8,000. Maybe they, know that, and maybe they don't want to bring it to that level. So, we'll see. Okay, so, Amir said, is there any way I can learn how to trade and read the graph? Yes, Amir. Is a way you can learn how to read the graph. Okay, it is by getting this course right here. Like I said, I'm giving you 50% discount. So let me get that out right now. Shout out to everybody that's here. If you don't have this course, basically, I give 50% discount. So let me get that over with, so I can go back to the charts. So Amir, here's the discount, and basically I copy and paste the link. So if anybody don't have this course, definitely check it out. It's the best course on the crypto market, period, hands down. If you go down and read these what do you call that, these testimonials, you will see a lot of my students are making a lot of money, period. It's just what it is. I'm not making this stuff up. You see. Shout out to Keith. Keith actually made money today. Okay, Keith sent me his balance, his profit. I mean, not his balance, but his profit that he made. And, you know, he made $92.87 today. Okay. A lot of people are actually losing money in this bear market. But if you understand how to know what's going on, you can actually make money. Okay. So once you get this course, you will find out everything step by step. And if you have any questions, let me know. You don't need that much money to start with. What is it, $50 to open up an account? And it'll show you how to, this course will show you how to be a professional. So shout out to Amir. Let's go back to the chart. And also Randy actually sent me an email. No, not Randy. Leslie. Let me read Leslie email real quick. Leslie Savage sent me an email. He said, "Hey Ben, I wasn't able to make your live YouTube. However, I wanted to share with you that I've been short in XRP since yesterday, and I'm now up $68. I want to thank you very much for your knowledge and your mentorship." And he said, "I'm going to short this until I can't short anymore." Shout out to him. Let me hit that cha-ching button. And he said, never mind the haters. You don't even know the lives you have changed. So shout out to Leslie Savage for making his money. Another one of my students that's making money now. Okay. And it's funny how these haters, they just don't understand how this stuff works. You can actually make money now instead of waiting and hoping if this thing's going to turn bullish. Okay, you have to learn how to make money with these swings. You can make money with these swings right here. So shout out to Leslie Savage. What's going on, Leslie? I was just talking about you, Leslie. Shout out to Leslie Savage. I was just talking about you. I was reading your email. So shout out to you making his money out here. Shout out to Leslie Savage. Let me hit that cha-ching button once again. Okay. All right. So let's see if I see any questions. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm reading these questions. Flex said, "Hey, when can we short the stock market?" Man, Flex, you want to short the stock market? Right now, the stock market is in a crazy bull run right now, so you definitely don't want to short it. But you can make money with the stock market regardless if it's going up or down. So you don't have to worry about the shorts right now. You can still make money. Yes, like the NN said, moon and likes. Let me see if I see any questions. Always said, "What do you think about XRP? The bottom?" Oh, nah. I don't know the bottom, MoX, but at the same time, I don't think that's the bottom. I think that's just a spot where XRP can go. I think that's a spot where it can go, but that's not necessarily the bottom. Let me see. Ahmad said, "Amir, get the course. You will learn so much." Shout out to Ahmad. Thanks a lot. Let me see. What do you think the market slows down every weekend? Oh, what I think this weekend? I don't know. I don't know what Bitcoin is going to do this weekend. We'll see. We didn't have a bloody weekend in a long time, so we'll see. I mean, we started off today bloody, right? We started off Friday bloody, so you never know. It might continue to be bloody for the whole weekend. Okay. This is how grimy this game is, guys. This game is very grimy. And people don't understand. People are so in love with the technology, and I get it. I like the technology too. But loving the technology and investing is two different things, guys. Most people just don't understand that. That's two different things. Investing and the technology are two different things. Shout out to Ahmad. Yeah, no problem, Amir. Peter said, take care, gotta go to bed. So shout out to Peter. Thanks a lot for coming through. Let me see if I see any questions. Randy said, don't worry, Ben, my testimonial will come soon. Shout out to Randy. Shout out to Randy, Big Randy. Let me see. Yeah, Keith said the cost is way underpriced. Exactly. Okay, I should be selling it for $500 at least, $400. But hey, you know, I'm trying to give somebody a chance. Let me see. Let me see if I see any questions. So, guys, you know, I'm not giving nobody, of course, I'm not giving nobody financial advice. Of course, I'm not giving nobody financial advice, but at the same time, if anybody made any profits from this crazy bull run right here, okay, if I was you, I would take some profits off the table. If that was me, right? Of course, I'm not giving nobody financial advice. This is entertainment only. If this was me making profits from this big, large move, okay? If you bought Bitcoin and this was me, you know, basically making all this profit, I would take some money off the table. If not all, I would at least take some, okay? Because if you look at Ethereum, okay, these guys that didn't take profit, they pretty much, you know, they crying right now, okay? If you look at XRP, these guys that didn't take profit, right, they crying too. So all these guys that didn't take profit, they crying. TRX guys crying. So, you know, it's best to take profits in a bear market. A bear market is real good to take profits. So anybody that you know, made some profit off of BTC, off that long, off that buy, of course I'm not giving nobody financial advice, but if it was me, I would take either all or some of my profits off the table. Because a bear market is just brutal, guys. A lot of people don't want to listen to me, but it is what it is. Let me see if I see any questions. Randy said, just soaking up the knowledge. Yeah. The stock market is a multi-year bull run. Yeah, I know, man. That bull run is crazy in the stock market. What that simply means, though, what that means is if it's in a bull market like that, that means that when that thing crashes, it's going to crash. It's going to come down. Okay? If you look at all these stocks are crazy, man. Let's see if I give you, let me see if I can look up a chart. But shout out to everybody that's here. If you have any questions new to my channel, please let me know if you have any questions. I'll get to it. Okay, so let me show you this. This is Amazon right now, guys. This is Amazon. Look how crazy this looks, guys. Does this look familiar, guys? Crazy parabolic move going straight up. This joint is screaming, crash me, crash me. Can you please crash me? This thing's gonna go down the tube. But you know, so the stock market, trust me, it's gonna crash soon, but we just don't know when. So, you know, there's a lot of money to be made. It's not just cryptos, you know. That's why, you know, I tell people learn how to read the charts, because you can take that skill and use it in other markets. Let's see if I see any questions. So guys, if anybody that's in this chat room right now, anybody that's in this live, if you are hodling and that's your only strategy, please let me know why buy and hold is your only strategy. If you're buying and holding and that's your only strategy, please let me know why. I want to hear your answer. I want to hear why you're just buying and holding. Let's see if I see any questions right here. Left Lane said, I think the whales are holding the price until enough buyers come in and then pull out. Yeah, you know. That's definitely sounds like something they would do. You said you can only hold crypto over the weekends. I don't know what you're talking about. You're talking about the stock exchange doesn't have crypto. It's the future market. So I mean, I really don't understand the question. MoX, you said, hey Ben, what's your favorite crypto? I don't have a favorite crypto. Just the same way I don't have a favorite stock. You know, I gave up on having favorites. I had that when I first came into the game, you know, I fell in love with, you know, certain stocks and stuff. But I noticed that these stocks didn't care about me, because when they crashed and burned, I was losing money and they was out on a yacht somewhere partying and, you know, and using the same money that we invest into the company. So, you know, when I started to lose money when I invest in these companies, and I used to love these companies, I noticed that, you know, these companies don't love me back. So I'm going to treat these companies like they treat me. So overall, you know, I treat this like a business. I try not to get all emotional, and I treat everything like a business. When I'm buying something, it's just what it is. It's just business. Yes, I love the technology, but it doesn't mean that I'm going to fall in love with, you know, a company or a coin to the point where it blinds me. Let me see if I hey, what's going on, Rufus? Good to see you here. And if anybody that's here new to the channel, definitely hit this subscribe button, and definitely, if you have any questions, let me know. If you have any questions, let me know. Don't be shy. It's cool. I will get to your question. Yeah, you said if you're hovering over a resistance line, it's suspect to me. Yeah, BTC, I know. Moek said the stock market is going to crash big time. It's been in the 7. Yeah, I know. It's going to crash big time. It's definitely going to crash big time. There's a lot of money to be made. Hey, what's going on, Glenn? Good to see you here. Keith said, I used to love XRP, and she broke my heart. Keith said, I was holding at $3, and I sold at 50 cents. Man, I didn't know any better at the time. Okay? So this is why, me personally, I don't love any coins. You heard what Keith said? Okay? And this is what most people, they get it twisted. Most people just don't understand how investing works. Keith said he bought XRP at $3, which is damn near the top, and he sold it at 50 cents. Okay? And people don't understand that these coins, or the people that own these coins, they don't really care about you. Okay? So loving the technology and loving to use the technology is cool. It's a good thing. But as soon as you invest into a company, that's a totally different thing, totally different game. Now you are an investor. You are an investor, and you have to play the game different, right? You have to understand what's going on. You know, loving the technology is one thing, but investing into the technology is another thing. Most people don't understand that concept. This is why when I come on here, people just can't understand that, you know, we are in the bear market and this thing could continue to go down. Most people just can't understand that. They don't understand the concept because they so blinded with the, you know, whole crypto market thing, right? The cryptocurrency thing, the technology, whatever the case is, and they don't understand that investing is totally different. It's just it's a separate game. So most people, they treating this like a hobby, something that's fun, something that, you know, they play around with. Yay, cool, HODL. But they don't understand that this is not a game, guys. It's not a game. This is a business. You have to understand your business, understand how it works, because if you don't, you will get burnt. So let's see if I see any questions. And shout out to Keith. Keith is, you know, he lost money, but guess what, guys? He's making his money. He's making his money now. So shout out to Keith. Keith is making his money now. I showed you one statement. Okay. It's another, you know, he showed me another statement. That was just the other day. Shout out to Keith. Shout out to Keith, guys. Keith is making his money. Okay. So let me see if I can show you something real quick. Okay. So Keith is one of my students, and basically, you know, he just told you that he lost money, okay, with XRP because he was holding, okay, but now he's making money. You know, he made $92, and he also made the other day, let me show you, he made $263. I know you can't see this, but it says $260, $263.90. Okay, so he's a guy that basically decided to not complain, right? He's a guy that decided to not complain about his situation, and he took action, and he wanted to figure out what he's doing wrong. Okay, so a lot of people don't understand the reason why most people are losing money. It comes down to something very simple. You're just doing something wrong. That's it. I remember, you know, when I was trying to trade and day trade, and I was losing money, you know, constantly. I was trying to figure out, man, you know, what's going on. And it came down to something very simple. I was just doing things wrong, you know? So you have to figure out what are you doing wrong, and you know, figure out what the right things are so you can actually do those things. So Keith understood that, and he said, okay, I'm not going to complain. I'm not going to blame the government. I'm not going to blame the news. I'm not going to blame FUD. I'm not going to blame HODL. I'm not going to blame nobody. Okay. I'm going to take responsibility, full responsibility. And now I'm going to understand how the market works. That's why he's making money. Okay. He's addicted to this stuff. So, you know, this is how you actually become successful. You don't sit down and complain and say, why me? So shout out to Keith. Let me hit that cha-ching button and give him some claps. So let me see any questions. Let me see if I see any questions. Ken said I was a Neo junkie, thought it was going, thought it was in my GNA. Get my Lambo. Ken thought Neo was going to get him his Lambo. That's funny. That's funny. A lot of people don't understand that, you know, the game changed, guys. It's not as easy as it used to be. So right now, Bitcoin is in this area right here. Are we going to make another up move? It's a possibility we can actually hit the 8,000 or 78 mark. But we'll see. The altcoins are basically are looking weak right now, so I don't know what's going to happen. I mean, the sell-off is crazy. The sell-off is crazy with these altcoins. It's just amazing. And it's funny how they keeping Bitcoin up. It's like they're keeping Bitcoin up. So if they keeping Bitcoin up like this, one thing is probably going to happen. If they keeping it up like this, probably we're going to see, if the market continue to go down, most likely we're going to see a big sell from Bitcoin. But we'll see. Shout out to everybody that's new to the channel. If you have any questions, let me know. Type in your question. If you have any questions, let me know. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm a full-time trader. I've been doing this for 10 years plus. So if you have any questions, let me know. Leslie said, hey, Ben, actually looking at Tron crashing. Yeah, man, Tron is looking weak, guys. It's looking weak. Okay. So it is. I mean, that's what you have to deal with when you are in a bear market. Okay, when things look good until they don't look good. Things look good until they don't. So I guess, you know, overall, this is going to be a learning lesson for a lot of people. But overall, I told you guys, in order for me to turn bullish, I need more confirmation. 1 week is not enough. Okay. In order for me to turn bullish, 1 week is not enough. I need this thing to at least go to 10,000, at least minimum, because every time we hit the 10,000 level, we rejected that level and went down. So 1 week of green is not going to get me hyped and call Lambo and say, yeah, we're going to make these millions. No, I understand how bear markets work. I understand that they do a lot of fake outs. They get you happy. They get your hopes up. So, you know, I need confirmation. So let's see if I see any questions. Thank you guys for coming in, chilling with me tonight. And guys, if you are new to my channel, and if you basically are hodling, if your only strategy is buy and hold, please let me know why is that your only strategy. If your only strategy is hodl, you only buy and hold, please let me know why that's your only strategy. I want to know why. Let me see if I see any questions. What's going on, Annette? You said, how can you calculate a risk per trade? You can go on your demo account and just click sell or something. So click sell on, I don't care what crypto it is. Open a position, click sell on your demo, and look every time it goes down, maybe $100, or if it's another crypto, if it goes down maybe $10, look how much you are losing. Okay, and then you calculate it from there. So for example, let's say that you're looking at BTC. For the most part, every 100 is, I guess, $10 if you risking 101. Okay, then you calculate how much you are risking on that trade. How many points is that trade? It's that simple. So if Bitcoin is at 78, right, and you're stopped right here, let's say that you're risking 400 on that trade, right? Let's say the width of that trade is $400. Basically 400 times 40. So that's how you calculate it. Okay, so you just do that with every little coin. And if you want to increase it, you can increase it with 02 or 1. Shout out to everybody that's here. If you have any questions, let me know. What's going on, MK? ADA Cardano selling like crazy. I know a lot of people is like, oh man, Cardano looks good. Let me zoom out. Look at his cells, guys. Look at his cells. Aggressive, very aggressive. Let's zoom out in the 1 day. Whew. Selling off like crazy. That's why, anything that looks bullish in the bear market, a channel break, or a spinning top, or inverse head and shoulder, whatever you want to call it, in the bear market, those signals usually don't work because we are in the bear market. Yeah, so Cardano looks weak. It looks like it's trying to head all the way back down. Okay. Verge going down too, looks weak. Let's look at BNB. BNB was looking bullish, okay, and I told you guys that I didn't like this overall, this action. I told you that it has two ways to go, okay? You either break the channel and go and pull back and go up, or it breaks the channel to the downside and go down and go up. Honestly, I told you guys I didn't like this bullish action because it was going up sluggish. Okay, and it broke this channel and it pulled back. Right, you see the pullback, guys? Broke the channel, pulled back to the channel, and it's heading back down. So even BNB looks bearish. Let's see. Let's go back to BTC. What's going on, guys? Let's see if I see any questions here. Okay. Vlad, what's going on? Vlad, are you new to my channel, Vlad? I wonder if you're new to my channel. Crypto Gains, what's going on? You said blazing hot in Cali. Yeah, man. What part? What part you at? What part in Cali? Crypto Gains. Glenn, you said it got to 109 here. Where you at right now, Glenn? Shout out to everybody that's here. If you have any questions, I know I hear you, Leslie Savage. If you have any questions, let me know. And nobody is answering my questions, so I don't know. Are you in OKC? That's what's up. Orange County, okay. So for all you guys that buy and hold HODL, let me know why is that your only strategy? Is it because you heard that from somebody, or you heard it from the community and you want to be a part of the community, so you say HODL, and you know, so you want to seem like you are down with the crew, or you want to make sure that you're not, you know, left out? Let me know, because I'm trying to figure out why most people just buy and hold. Because right now there's a lot of money to be made besides buy and hold. You're leaving a lot of money on the table. You're leaving a lot of money on the table. The market doesn't go straight down and have swings, so you can take advantage of these swings and create monthly income for yourself. Okay? And once you understand this stuff, you're going to say, man, how come I wasn't doing this way before? Yeah, it gets hot here too. And if you don't have this course, definitely check it out. It's 50% off right now. It will show you how to make, how you can actually make money now. If you have any questions, let me know. When I get off this live stream, it's going right back to 210. Let me see if I see any questions. HODL, short, long, swing. All right, so shout out to Moex. So I'm reading these comments. I'm trying to figure out if anybody have any questions. I think everybody at the club today, partying, right? People don't want to study, so they probably at the club partying. But it's all good. It's all good. Over here, we want to make this money and figure out how things work out. So I'm gonna read these questions, see what's going on here. Thanks a lot for stopping by. Let me see what's going on here. You said you have a difference between 1,013 USD compared to price on Kraken. Wide spread of 66 USD. I don't know. I don't know why it's the spread. I really don't know, but you know, it is what it is. Leslie Savage said, I thought Tron was going to get me my beach home. Haha. I hear you, man. You said, what percentage gain do I look for in day trading? Percentage gains? I don't know what you mean by that. Basically, what I do is I don't look for percentage gains. I just go on to the platform, okay, and then I look for my setups. If I make money, I make money. If I don't, I don't. It's not. I used to do that, but that's when I was a rookie, okay. It's not about percentage gains when you are trading. You say when you start to jump in and out. Basically, it's not about percentage gains. About my risk. Okay, so if I'm risking, let's say I'm risking $10 on a trade, I want to at least make $20. So it's my risk to reward. Let me see if I see any questions. So Moex said, I lose 99% when I day trade, so I stopped trying. Moex, did you what are you day trading? The crypto market? Moex, are you day trading the crypto market? You said you're going to sign up right now. You're going to sign up. Crypto gains. Do you have this course, crypto gains? Crypto gains. Do you have this course? Because you said that you could have made 500K with Tron sold too early. Do you have this? Do you have this course right here? This course will basically teach you how to become a professional. Okay, no more guessing. So check that out. Yeah, so if you have been busy. Okay, yeah, so crypto gains. If you could have made 500K with Tron, this $110 should be nothing for you. Okay, that should be $1 for you. So this $110 it should be something that you could afford. So check this out. I'm giving out this. I'm practically giving this away. I should be charging more, but check this out because it will show you how to become a professional and how to make this money. So you don't have to be guessing and hoping. So when I get off a live stream, it's going right back to 210. So let me copy and paste that link for you. Okay. Let me copy and paste that link for you. So I just copy and paste that link for you, crypto gains. You said you on your phone. It doesn't matter if you're on your phone, crypto gains. You can still get it. Let me see if I see any questions. Yeah, so Moex said he lose 100%. He lose 99% of the times when he day trade crypto. So yes, because crypto market is kind of funny. It's not like a regular market. Sometimes it's very like it for like hours it won't do anything, right? It won't do anything. Like for example, this is a good example right here. Okay, this is a 5-minute chart for like, let me see, for a good 4 hours we ain't do nothing. Or was it 4 hours? Is 8:20? Yeah, close to 4 hours. We ain't do nothing. And then next thing you know, we popped up. Boom. Okay. So yes, day trading the crypto market is crazy. But right now, I day trade the stock market is much easier than this. Actually, it's way easier than this. But if you look at this, look at this chart, guys. Basically, this means that the market is is looking weak, guys. Okay. We broke out of this. The sellers came right in, right? we consolidated, and we breaking out that consolidation. So it's looking weak for the market. I don't know if they want to sell this thing off. I don't know if they want to sell it off this weekend. We might have a bloody weekend. I don't remember last time we had a bloody weekend. So this weekend might be a bloody weekend, guys. It might be a bloody weekend. Okay. This is why you can't trust the news. This is why you can't trust nobody. You should only trust yourself. Study the charts. The charts will tell you everything that you will need to know. Everything. You said send the link up. Yeah, I just send you the link, Crypto Gains. Let me copy and paste it again if you don't have it. I'm gonna copy and paste it one more time for you, Crypto Gains. I'm gonna copy and paste it one more time for you. My students are making money. I just showed you what Keith is making. Okay. And you go to testimonials. A lot of people. I didn't even copy all my testimonials. This is some of my testimonials. Okay, my top student made 21,000 in a week. So it's up to you if you want to learn how to make this money. Let me see if I see any questions. Man, BTC is selling off. Let me see these other altcoins. Let's see if these other altcoins are selling off too. Because BTC is selling off like crazy. Woo, look at this, crazy. Okay, so like I said, guys, I'm not giving you financial advice. This is entertainment only. But I tell you this much: if I was you, and I'm up on BTC, if that was me, basically I will look to take some profits, or if not all, because this thing could get ugly right now. These guys play a lot of games, especially in the bear market. This thing could get ugly. Okay, this might be the top. I'm not saying it is, but this might be the top, guys. This might be. Because you have to understand, these guys are very smart. They understand what you're thinking. They understand how you look at things, how you breathe, how you wake up in the morning. They understand everything. So that's why they are very good, with playing with your emotions. Okay. And they might not even bring this market up to 8,000 because they know a lot of people are looking at that level. They know a lot of people are looking at the 8,000 level, so they might not even bring it to that. Okay. So this might be the top. I'm not saying it is. I'm just saying it might be the top because what's going on to me is kind of suspect. So anyway, let me see if I see any questions. Either I get greedy, hold for more profits, lose. Yeah, OX. Yeah, I understand. I understand. Trust me, I've been through whatever you're doing right now. I've been through it. Okay. I might make a stock market course, but it's not going to be, definitely not going to be this price because it's going to be about day trading. But I don't know yet. We'll see. Ken said you gave up. You said you gave up the club. You gave up the club life years ago when I used to break dance and battle. So Ken used to break dance and battle. All right. That's what's up. So shout out to Crypto Gains, guys. Shout out to Crypto Gains. Crypto Gains just bought this course. Shout out to him. He just bought the course. And basically now he wants to learn how to be a professional and wants to learn how to see how the market works, because most people in this market is just guessing. Okay. So let me say that if you just, didn't hear what I said, most people in this market are guessing. They making, it's funny because a lot of people are making money in the market, but they're not holding their money because they don't know when to sell, or they don't know how to, when they get out, or should I get out, or whatever the case is, because they don't know how to read the market. So shout out to Crypto Gains. He actually just got this course. Let me hit that cha-ching button for him. Okay, shout out to him. Thanks a lot for supporting the channel, and now you can actually look at those videos and learn how to read the market like a professional. Okay, so shout out to him. And if anybody else don't have this course, basically right now it's 50% off. Okay, I mean, you basically getting it at a still. It's a still right now. When I get off, it's gonna go right back to 210. So shout out to him. Let me see if I see any questions before I get out of here. What's going on, Borgan? What's going on? Bordan, what's going on? Dominance drop for good, and people trade the good coins. I don't know. Bogdan, there's a possibility. I'm reading these questions right now. If you have any questions, if you are new to the channel, let me know. MK said you been playing the swings. So MK, you've been buying the swings? MK Kush, you been buying these swings? Fran said, hey, Ben, I purchased your course. Can't wait to get started. Haven't received an email for your course material. It's been 24 hours. France, check your spam folder. France, check your spam folder. Shout out to France. He bought this product right here. And basically, he's want to learn how to become a professional. So shout out to him. France, check your spam folder. If it's not in your spam folder, I'm quite sure 100% it's in your spam folder, but if it's not, email me right away, and I will get to you. Okay, so here's my email address, but I'm 100% sure that it's in your spam folder. But let me give you my email address just in case. So I just gave you my email address. So shout out to friends. Thanks a lot for supporting the channel. Thanks a lot for supporting the channel. Leslie Savage said, Ben, I hodled for a long time, but now I know better. Me and my wife, freedom is right around the corner. So shout out to Leslie Savage. He's no better. He knows better not to use hodl as his own only strategy. Okay. So shout out to him. And if you're in the building, definitely hit the likes if you are in the building. All right, so shout out to Crypto Gains. He says he's in. That's what's up. He said he'd been following me for 6 months, so shout out to him. Thanks a lot, Crypto Gains. And France, I didn't hear you. Are you still here, France? France, are you still here? Check your spam folder. You said, what's the low end price? We mean low end price. What are you talking about? You said you knew. So shout out to Chris. Chris is new in the building. Thanks a lot for stopping by. Thanks a lot for stopping by. You said the low end price. I don't know what you mean by the low end price. Oh, the low end price for TRX. Okay. So shout out to Chris. Chris is new to the channel. Basically, TRX, we don't know where it's gonna head. You know, we don't know the bottom. I wish I can tell you the bottom. I don't know. But overall, don't be surprised if you see TRX at 1 cent. Okay, don't be surprised if TRX goes back to 1 cent. And then we take it from there. It all depends on Bitcoin. All depends on Bitcoin. What's Bitcoin doing? Right now we are in the bear market, so it just Bitcoin is dragging everybody down. Bitcoin is dragging everybody down. Let's see if I see any questions here. Thanks a lot, those. Thanks a lot, Chris, for joining us. Mikey's Diamond said, I've been checking out videos and you the only one that making sense. So shout out to Mikey Diamonds, man. Mikey Diamonds, you're not new to the channel, right? You're not new to the channel, Mikey Diamonds, right? Yeah, yeah, it's sketchy, yes. What's going on, G Slick? Giving you the truth. How low for XRP? I don't know. I don't know how low for XRP, but I definitely see XRP at least going to that breakout that I talk about all the time. So let's go to the XRP real quick. This breakout right here. Okay, let me go to the daily chart. This breakout on XRP. Okay, if you notice that we broke out right here. So the market loves to go back to the breakout. So this is around like 30 cents, 29 cents. So don't be surprised if you see XRP to those levels. Go to those levels. Let me see if I see any questions. Oh, you said first time you've been on a live chat. Okay. I hear you, man. Thanks a lot, Mikey Diamonds, for stopping by. Thanks a lot for Mikey Diamonds for stopping by. First time on live, so shout out to him. Shout out to Mikey Diamonds, first time on live. So yeah, I mean, overall, guys, you know, this market is just, you know, I wish I can turn it around. I wish I can say, hey guys, you know, the bull market is here. But it makes no sense to lie to you guys. Because I understand how bear markets work. So, you know, overall, we've been fooled right here in February. We went up, right? And then we got fooled right here in April. We went up, and went right back down. So, don't be surprised if they fool you again right here. It's not because I want the market to go down. It's just I understand what's happening. Okay, that's all. That's the difference. That's all. And what I'm telling people is you don't have to suffer. You can actually find out how to actually take advantage of these swings, because if you don't, you are losing money and you are basically leaving money on the table. Let me see if I see any questions before I get out of here, though. Shout out to everybody here on a Friday night. No problem giving you the truth. G Slick said blood in the streets. Shout out to G Slick. You said you're still weak. He said I've been swing trading for a year, but you're still weak. Yeah, no problem. When you get the course, when you look at the course, you'll see. I'm trying to read these questions if I see any. But shout out to everybody that's here, guys. Thanks a lot for stopping by. Thanks a lot for stopping by. Right now, the volume is dropping. Let's go to Bitcoin. Let's see the volume for Bitcoin. Yeah, so it's at 5. So we'll see over the weekend. Let's see how they want to do this. If they want to push this thing up one more time, or if they want to have a bloody weekend. We'll see. But these moves are definitely not healthy. These pumps, these are not healthy at all. So let's see. You said you're expecting a massive sell-off on BTC this weekend. I don't know. It looks, I ain't gonna lie, it looks bloody right now. It does. Not only Bitcoin looks bloody, the altcoins look bloody, right? The altcoins is selling off like crazy. Like everybody's saying, "Yo, forget the altcoins." That's crazy. Let's look at the dominance. I don't know where that thing at. Bitcoin dominance at 45. Like people just crazy. Like the altcoins just getting smashed. Hey, what's going on, 45? You made it, but you're late. Why you so late at 45? So shout out to Mikey Diamonds. Mikey Diamonds said he gonna get the course. He been waiting to catch me on live, so shout out to him. Shout out to Mikey Diamonds. Let me hit that cha-ching button for him. Let me know when you get it, Mikey. Shout out to you. Let's see if I see any questions. Oh, okay, 12-hour shift. I hear you, man. I hear you. You gotta put in that work. I hear you. So Street Vlogs said something wrong. I just came in and I don't know what did Street Vlog said something wrong? What was he trolling? I didn't read what he said. So I'm reading these comments. Yeah, did Street Vlog said something wrong, guys? Anyway, so I'm about to get out of here soon. Thanks a lot for everybody that's here. If you have any questions, if you are new to my channel, if you have any questions, let me know. I'll get to it. Don't be shy. It's real quick. So overall, the market, guys, Bitcoin could actually retrace all the way back to the 68 level, 67 level. And maybe we'll see a bounce from there. Test these highs again. That's the, probably the next step. We don't know yet. If it's going to be a bloody weekend, that could happen. We could test the 68 level. Come back, bounce off the 68 level. Test this again, and then head back down. So that's another option. Mikey Diamond said, any guesses on how far Bitcoin would go down? Shoot, Bitcoin could go down a lot. You know, right now, like I said, the first thought would be, of course, people talking about this 5,000 mark. But you know, I see 44. Definitely see 44. I definitely see 3,000 and something. Okay, and then we take it from there. Uh, 68 in the short term. Yeah, basically, you know, it could go to 68, bounce back up, and then continue to go back down. So shout out to everybody that's here. But I had to say what's up. No problem, 45. I hear you. So 45, you on your way home? Oh, he was cursing? Okay. Yeah, any trolls, in here, you know, you get rid of him. Well, he was talking bad about somebody or what? He was talking bad about somebody or he was talking bad about me? What you was saying? So right now let's go to the 4 hour. Okay, 4 hour looks so I kind of figured out that we was gonna hit this bottom right here because that's what it looks like. It looks like because the people that took this long, they got screwed, right? They bought this top, it went up a little bit and it slammed right back down. So I kind of figured it was gonna hit this swing right here, and that's what it's doing. So we'll see. We'll see if Bitcoin wants to push up one more time, but right now things are looking sluggish for the overall market. Mikey Diamond said, "I'm glad to see some rational thoughts and not this moon garbage." So shout out to shout out to Mikey Diamonds. Yes, man. You know it's hard for me to talk that moon crap because I've been doing this for so long. You know I've been doing this for so long that you know I can tell that most people that on YouTube, they don't do this for a living. They just make videos. I can tell automatically. I can tell. So, you know, at the same time, when it comes to a bear market, you have to know how to play defense. Because if you don't know how to play defense, you know, you can actually lose a lot of money. I have people email me and say, "Ben, I lost 150K or I lost 30K or I lost, you know, 50K, you know, like things like that." So if you don't know how to play defense, you can actually lose a lot of money. And I try to tell people, you know, it's not all about just buying and holding. You can actually, there's numerous ways you can actually make money. You can make money by playing swings or, you know, different things. So you just don't have to just buy and hold. And a lot of people buying these dips because these YouTubers are telling them to do it. And most of these YouTubers don't know what they're talking about. Talking about going to the moon. Of course, we all want to make money, but at the same time, can we be realistic? You know, can we be realistic with our thoughts? So if you have any questions, please guys let me know. I'll probably get out of here soon. But over here, guys, we are making money right now. We're not waiting. We don't have time to wait. And that's it. Leslie Savage said, "I would love to see Tron at 1 cent. No disrespect to Tron hodlers." I hear you, man. I hear you. Let's look at these other altcoins. What's going on with Litecoin right here? What's going on with Litecoin? These coins are dropping like crazy. Yeah, I kind of figured out Litecoin probably didn't want to go back to the 100 mark. So we might not even see 100 with Litecoin no more. We'll see though. We'll see. You know, it's crazy though. It's crazy. Let me see if I see any questions before I get out of here though. And said what I'm trading the weekend, only crypto. Yeah, I don't really, you know, the other markets are closed, so I can't trade over the weekend. So, you know. So, guys, I'm about to get out of here. Thanks for, you know, stopping by. Thanks for stopping by. About to get some rest. Shout out to everybody that's here. Thanks a lot for stopping by. Appreciate it on a Friday night. Thanks for all the guys, you know, stopping by. You know, it's a weekend now, so you should take that time. The weekend, if you are off, take that time to study, to sharpen your skills, and learn how to make this money. You know, we might get a bloody weekend, so this weekend, you know, a lot of people could actually get paid. So we'll see. This weekend will probably make a lot of people a lot of money. We'll see though. We'll see. I'll definitely keep you guys posted. So thanks guys for stopping by. Appreciate it. If you don't have this course, right now it's at a 50% discount. When I get off, it's gonna go right back to 210. So check that out. Let me copy and paste the link. And guys, I'm about to get out of here. Thanks a lot for stopping by. Make sure that you do study. Enjoy your weekend. And yeah, no problem, Mikey Diamonds. No problem. And shout out to everybody that got the course today. The people that want to learn how the market works. You know, you have some people that's just tired of the game, you know, tired of the crypto market playing with their emotions, okay? 1 week, you have a whole bunch of good news come out. Everybody say, guys, this thing going to the moon. The next week, we right back down. So it's like, who to believe, right? Okay? But once you understand how this market works and once you know how to read the charts, it's going to be very hard for these guys to play with your emotions, because now you know what's going on. A lot of people don't know what's going on because they don't want to put in that work. They don't want to study. They don't want to learn what's going on. All they want to do is hodl and go to work. That's it. Hodl and go to their 9 to 5, because it's much easier to do that, right? They don't have to put in work. So anyway, guys, thanks a lot for stopping by. Have a good night. Keith, Mikey Diamonds, NN, MK Kush, Leslie Savage, 45. Everybody that's here, guys. Thanks a lot for stopping by. Thanks a lot for who's the Crypto Gains for getting the course, and everybody else that got the course. Shout out to you guys. And you know, thanks for, you know, just basically supporting the channel. Thanks for stopping by. And you know, Make sure you have a good weekend. Shout out to G Slick and everybody that's here. Leslie Savage, Randy. So I'm about to be out, guys. Make sure that you stay safe out here and continue to have a good night. So good night, guys. Take care.